morning, dear students. Hope you all are fine. Welcome to the online class. Dear students, in previous online class, we have started Unit 1 and we have read about a few topic, but the remaining topic was left, okay? So first I will summarize the previous topic and then we will go to the next topic, okay? So the topic was food and balanced diet. So you know well that all the living things need food. We need food when we are hungry. So our body needs food to grow strong and healthy. So food give us energy for work and play. Good food makes our bones and body strong. Our food comes from plants and animals. Okay, so you know that the food, what is food? Food is a material through which animals and humans eat. Healthy food or healthy eating means a variety of food that give you nutrients you need to maintain your health, feel good and have energy. Okay, so the healthy food, a healthy diet provide the energy you need to stay active all the day. Different food have different nutrients. So the question is that what are nutrients? Nutrients you need for growth and repair, helping you to stay strong and healthy and help to prevent diet related illness. So nutrients means ग़िज़ाइयत. मुख्तलिफ़ फूड में मुख्तलिफ़ ग़िज़ाइयत पाई जाती है. यही ग़िज़ाइयत हमारी ग्रोथ में हेल्प करती है और हमें मुख्तलिफ़ बीमारियों से बचाती है. A healthy diet may help to prevent certain long-term diseases. हमारी बॉडी को एनर्जी की ज़रूरत होती है ताकि ये तमाम काम अच्छे तरीके से परफॉर्म कर सकें एंड कीप यू अलाइव. और हमें ये एनर्जी न्यूट्रिएंट्स से मिलती है जो फूड में मौजूद होती है. ओके, दैट यू ईट मोस्टली कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, प्रोटीन्स एंड फैट्स, मिनरल्स एंड विटामिन्स आर अदर nutrients that are also important in your diet to help your body to stay healthy. Okay, so meat, dietary products and fats, oil and sweets, we get different energy from these food groups. For example, grain give us carbohydrates and fiber, right? So हम grain group से carbohydrate और fiber provide the fiber and carbohydrate हासिल करते हैं जिसकी which help to digest the food. Okay, so fruits, next is the fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables gives us vitamins and minerals, right? So we get proteins from meat group. इसी तरह से हम मीट ग्रुप से प्रोटीन हासिल करते हैं जो कि हमारे टिश्यू और मसल्स को रिपेयर करते हैं. फ्रॉम डेयरी प्रोडक्ट्स वी गेट द कैल्शियम. ओके, एंड कैल्शियम इज इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर आवर teeth and our bones. Okay, it keep our bones and teeth strong. So dairy products mean those things which are made from the milk, right? So the last one is fats, oil and sweets. This group give us energy and keep our body warm. But we should eat little amount of from this group. Too much of these foods can make us fats, right? So it's mean कि हमारे पास 5 food groups हैं. There are 5 main food groups. So we should eat different food group. Okay, हमें इन सब food groups में से कुछ amount लेनी चाहिए जैसे कि grain, फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स हैं, मीट, कैल्शियम जो हमें प्रोवाइड करते हैं लाइक अ डेयरी प्रोडक्ट्स, इसी तरह से फैट्स, ऑयल एंड स्वीट्स हैं जिसमें से हमें बहुत लिटिल अमाउंट में फूड लेना चाहिए, राइट। सो द नेक्स्ट इज़ द, हमारे पास अब नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है, दैट इज़ द बैलेंस डाइट। सो व्हाट इज़ बैलेंस डाइट? A healthy diet or balanced diet is a diet that contains the right amount of all food groups. It includes fruits, vegetables, grains, dairy products, and meat. It does not include too much or too little of any kind of food. Okay, so think for a moment what would happen to your body if you eat nothing but bread and sweets at every meal. So you would be very healthy or strong. A balanced diet means eating the right variety of food in the right amount. In order to have healthy body, we should eat variety of food because all the food have nutrition value. A healthy diet provides the energy you need to stay active all the day, right? So the next topic is healthy and unhealthy food. So first come to the healthy food. First of all, come to the healthy food. So healthy food or healthy eating means eating a variety of food. Okay, so eating healthy food or healthy eating means eating a variety of food that give you nutrients. In order to have healthy body, we should eat variety of food. आप ये जानते होंगे कि अगर हम हेल्दी बॉडी चाहते हैं तो हमें मुख्तलिफ़ वैरायटी के फ़ूड खाने चाहिए, क्योंकि हर फूड की अपनी न्यूट्रिशन वैल्यू होती है। अगर हम एक ही किस्म का फूड खाते रहेंगे तो हमारी बॉडी में न्यूट्रिएंट्स की कमी हो जाएगी। ओके, इसीलिए हमें मुख्तलिफ़ अक़साम की खुराक लेनी चाहिए। So now we will see that what is the benefits of eating healthy food. Okay, so these are the benefits of healthy food. The first one is, one of the main reason people eat a healthy diet is to maintain a healthy weight. Okay, so the next हमारे पास second point है that healthy eating habit can improve your heart healthy and can prevent her diseases, right? So the next one is the benefit of healthy eating food is a healthy diet can help individuals make sure that you have strong teeth and bones now and in future, this preventing teeth decay and body ages, right? Next हमारे पास point है that it will also give us better mood. It will improve our better mood. Okay, so better mood and energy level. You are what you eat. If you eat a balanced healthy diet, you will feel better and more energized, right? Next is the improve memory and brain health. Eating healthy increase the blood flow to the brain, which help to prevent brain diseases, right? So now question is that what is junk food? The junk food and its side effects. So junk food is also known as a fast food. Okay, junk food is also known as a fast food. Junk food is unhealthy food that is high in calories, from sugar to fat, with little dietary fiber and other important form of nutrition value. जैसे कि हमारी बॉडी को फैट्स की ज़रूरत होती है, लेकिन ये बहुत कम अमाउंट में होनी चाहिए। इसी तरह से जंक फूड में शुगर और फैट्स ज़्यादा अमाउंट में पाए जाते हैं और हमारी बॉडी को तमाम न्यूट्रिएंट्स प्रोवाइड नहीं करते, राइट? सो इसीलिए दैट्स वाई वी शुड ईट लेस अमाउंट ऑफ जंक फूड, राइट? नाउ आई विल टेल which kind of food can be fast food. Okay, so for example, the food that burgers, french fries and fizzy drinks, these are the fast food or junk food. Okay, so remember dear students, although may taste so good, they have no positive side effect because they are unhealthy for us. Okay, अगर हम रोज़ जंक फूड खाएंगे तो ये हमारे मोटापन को इंक्रीज करता है and cause heart diseases and many more. Okay, so eating too much of junk food is linked to serious health problems. It can cause problem in memory and learning, cause blood pressure. Okay, so means कि जंक फूड हमारी यादाश्त और हमारे ब्लड प्रेशर को इफ़ेक्ट करता है. Above all, you can get various nutritional deficiencies. Junk food will not satisfy the energy level of your body and you will feel inactiveness, sleepiness and less energetic, right? So there are some factors for healthy living. Okay, there are some factors through which we can live healthy. So the factors of living healthy is cleanliness, proper sleep and exercises, right? So first of all, first is the cleanliness. So we are Muslim, you know that we are Muslim and Islam teaches us cleanliness. Islam हमें सफाई सिखाता है, that सफाई निफ्स ईमान है, ठीक है? So therefore we must clean our body, our clothes, our house and our environment, right? So it is the factor of living healthy. नेक्स्ट हमारे पास है प्रॉपर स्लीप. सो प्रॉपर स्लीप इज़ आल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर अ गुड हेल्थ, राइट? अगर हम प्रॉपर तरीके से अपनी नींद पूरी करेंगे तो ये हमारी हेल्थ के लिए भी बहुत अच्छा है. जैसे कि हम टाइम पे अगर सोएंगे और सुबह टाइम पे जागेंगे, सो दिस इज़ द बेस्ट वे टू गेट प्रॉपर स्लीप, राइट? Proper sleep make us active and energetic. After a proper sleep, we can study well, we can learn and listen easily. Okay, so we can learn our lesson easily. अगर आपने प्रॉपर नींद की होगी तो आप अपने it will also improve our immune system, right? So next हमारे पास है एक्सरसाइज. दैट एक्सरसाइजेस में भी हमारे इट विल आल्सो इट इज़ द फैक्टर ऑफ living healthy. Okay, so regular and proper exercise is also necessary to live a happy healthy life. It gives us a better quality of life, right? So it protects us from many diseases. It keeps us fit, healthy, fresh and active. Okay, so walking is a simple exercise, बहुत easy exercise है, but it is most important exercise, right? Running, इसी तरह से हमारे पास है रनिंग, रोप स्किपिंग है, साइकिलिंग, प्लेइंग हॉकी, फुटबॉल एंड क्रिकेट एक्सेट्रा. are also a good some exercise. Okay, so we must do the exercise for keeping healthy, for living healthy life, right? So dear student, I hope you understand this topic very well. That till the next online class, take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.